It's a little bit on saving these files. So from the last lesson, the tutorial wasn't looking real great. I went and straightened this up. This looks a little bit better now. I'm happier with the way it looks. Um, so there's some things to saving it and downloading it for your social media, some notes. The first thing I did was I went in here and I added a better file name. So that is now the name of the file. And if I go to my projects, this is now in my project, so I can come in and edit it again. If I have another work day and it's more leaf raking instead, or maybe dusting or something like that, I can update this file and change the dates. So this can be saved in my projects. If I'm at home and I want to work on something that I've created, I can go to my projects. There's my file. And it has that work day name on it. If I have this set up, like this was an Instagram. That's how when I created my the template right from the beginning, I picked an Instagram post. If I click on this button, I could publish right to my Instagram, or I can publish to my Facebook, but I would need to connect that to my Facebook account or to the Instagram account to do that. And I don't have that set up. So instead, what I'm going to do is download this file so that I can go and upload it to Instagram or send it to my phone or do whatever I need to do with it. So I'm going to hit the download and I have some choices. So how do I know what choice to make? There's lots of different, and there's a menu, like I can scroll down. There's more than just what you see here. It's picking the default. So it puts a check mark by what it thinks that you should be saving it as. And JPEG is JPEG. That's exactly what I want to save. It's a small file. It's not animated. It will look good on the web. PNG's files are for a little bit bigger files. They have a lot more color, a lot more details, text. If I need something to be transparent in the background, I would want to pick the PNG transparent. PDF is for more something that I have printed or I want to share with somebody, a flyer, a poster, a business card. MP4 is for a more animated type image. MP4 can also have sound in it. So if I have an animated story, I would want to definitely use MP4. GIF is also for an animation. It works for still image as well. Generally, there's no sound in the file. So if you have something animated without sound, you can pick GIF. If you have something animated with sound, pick MP4. But JPG works well for me, so I'm going to make sure that that's selected and hit download. So it's currently creating the file for download. If I change my mind, I can cancel the download. And then you can see it gets shot down here into my taskbar. This is being placed into my downloads folder. So if I go to my folder, however you get there and look in my downloads, that's where the file is gonna be. So let me go make sure. You're gonna see some things here. Downloads folder, there's my Workday 1010 file that I just made. And I can save this. I can open it in Paint. It's not editable here because it's flattened. I can edit it again in Vista Create if I want to, but I can upload. This is a file that I can now upload to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever I need to upload that to. Again, if I want to edit it, I'm going to come back to Vista Create, go to my projects. If I hover over this, I have an edit design. And now I can come back and edit this template just like I've edited it in the past. If I need to change its colors or change the image that's here, change the text, the date for this workday, I can come back and edit this design anytime I want to.